What is the science behind bioidentical hormones? And how are they different than synthetic hormones? And why is that important? These are great questions. The synthetic hormones that the drug companies manufacture are mimics of what's going on in your body. Yes, they produce some of the same effects, but not exactly the same. And they often come with negative side effects. The big advantage to bioidentical hormones is these substances are identical to the ones that your body already manufactures. We know how to track them, we know exactly what they're going to do in your body, and we can eliminate the unwanted side effects that are associated with synthetic hormones. Some of the unwanted side effects associated with synthetic hormones for women include the increased risk of blood clots and strokes, and the increased risk of breast cancer. These things are entirely avoided with the new generation of bioidentical hormones. For men, the thing we worry about with the synthetic anabolic hormones is they are quite toxic to the liver and very hard on the cholesterol profile. These are things that we completely avoid with the use of bioidentical hormone replacement. We work closely with compounding pharmacies to create bioidentical formulas in exactly the dosage and strength that the individual requires. The great thing about working with a compounding pharmacy is we can produce for you exactly what it is that your body needs, rather than having to pick a standard dosage off the shelf manufactured by a pharmaceutical company. The other thing is that we can avoid the synthetic hormones that the pharmaceutical companies like to introduce in their products. For those who don't know, a compounding pharmacy is a pharmacy that has a lab in the back that can create sterile ingredients specifically formulated into creams, lotions, and capsules according to a specific formula. They don't rely simply on the drug companies to stock their shelves. A very common question we get is, how can I do hormone replacements safely? The answer to that question is, you need to be medically supervised and you should be using a bioidentical hormone solution. A common misconception about hormone therapy is that all hormone therapy comes with risk. That's not really a fair characterization. We know there are well-documented risks associated with synthetic hormones, but the use of bioidentical hormones now very much allows us to avoid those risks, and these type of products can be used safely and indefinitely. There's no magic age that you have to stop taking these. The most common question we get around hormone replacement is the long-term safety. And the good news is that if we use bioidentical hormone, we can use these safely and indefinitely. There's no particular age that you have to stop taking hormone replacement.